Trust the universe will always bring me to you.